just got to the property. It's Thursday night. It's about 7 o'clock. It's just getting to be so pretty and green. Feeling very blessed. And we are just setting up. Ta-da!
Well, here you go, guys. I almost forgot to start recording on this, but I was able to drill through my platform in our little makeshift tub so Harper can take a bath. And these cordless Ryobis are just fantastic. Yeah, I did my pre-drilling for my circle and piloted with the rigid, but this is what it looks like. It's all inside there. There's my little platform. Oh. That in there. And that is going in here. I just cut that out, and then I'm going to run my plumbing outside and then into a gravel pit or something like that, just so it's got some place to drain. But this can be pretty cool. So I am eventually today going to start tearing down that cabin, but it's going to take me a few more minutes on this, and I'll...
Why is there a sink drain in the bathtub? Well, the answer is because we went to Habitat for Humanity to find a bathtub drain, and they didn't have any. However, they did have a sink drain for $3. So we bought the drain from Habitat brand new in the package for $3. And then we had to go to Lowe's and buy the plug for it, which was $6. So not bad. Plumbing in an outhouse, under $10. Okay, the bathroom is 100% complete now. I'm gonna give you a tour. So there's our battery-powered chandelier.
I need the picture.
Here's some decorations with some candles up there for mood lighting in the evening. Here is our composting toilet with our little PPTP trash can. There is a light for at night. Here is a coat rack, clothes rack, towel rack, whatever you might need when you come in. This is the cabinet we pulled out of the cabin. It holds toilet paper, towels, soap. Here's some drawers. This bottom drawer holds the pine chips.
Mommy.
Hey, can you show them your bathtub?
Yeah. It's right there, the black one. I'll be draining it.
Yes, did Grandpa make you a pretty bathtub?
Yeah.
So here is the truck mirror that we salvaged out of the weeds, so you can see to shave or brush your teeth. This is the hot water shower on demand. This is a luxury outhouse, and you even have privacy. So thank you for following us, and Harper has locked me in. Okay, now let me show you the backside. Okay. Here's the details. This is a instant hot water heater. This is the brand. I think I spent about $120 on this. And in a previous video, Dwayne talks in detail about how this works. Here is the pump. I think I spent $125 on this pump, maybe. This is just a normal car battery, and we actually have it hooked up to a solar charger that's meant for car batteries. It's a tiny little charger, but it keeps us going constantly. So this is how it works. And have an outhouse hot shower out here. Oh man, it's luxury. All right, now it's time to get to work. We're tearing out the cabin bathroom this weekend. So stay tuned to see more.